Accelerated contract flow.
Are your contracting processes inefficient? Ever experienced a contract that extended automatically? Lack of teamwork and poor internal responsiveness slow down your business. Accelerate with contract automation and contract lifecycle management software using AI. Contracts involve many stakeholders and contracting many intertwined sub-processes. Accelerating means facilitating collaboration, disentangling those sub-processes and automating each. That's what Weagree does. Developed in close cooperation with our customers, making it extremely user-friendly. Creating flow and autonomy, anchoring internal controls. Implementation is very easy. Watch it yourself.
Contract automation accelerates. Is creating a contract an uphill battle? And legal the cyclist you're waiting for? Worried that transactions are not reflected in a contract? Losing deal momentum due to slow contracting? Even failing to finish? Most parts of contract creation are fact-finding, can be delegated. Allow process optimization and risk management to be automated. With contract automation, response times turn to 0. You will sprint at deal momentum. Everyone uses the best materials with no redundant baggage. Accelerating business. Control the flow by integrating with SharePoint, CRM and other applications. Advanced approval workflows and plug-in e-signing. It's fun to cycle. Contract lifecycle management accelerates. Many contracts extend automatically when a termination deadline is missed. Not managing contractual obligations, no CLM, implies missing options. Poor contract management is time-consuming, cost-increasing, and risky. Chasse patate, a goose chase. Instead, a contract lifecycle management application, or CLM, reminds you of deadlines, provides instant insight in contractual rights, and prevents cost overruns. No one likes to register and maintain signed contracts. No one likes to revisit a signed contract, since an archive is usually dusty and often difficult to search through. It's not usually one-click access. Therefore, a CLM must be easy to maintain, with easy search and filter options that unchain contractual benefits, notify you timely, accelerate, not break. Implementing CLM takes only a few minutes. Championing implementation accelerates. Missing a roadmap? Afraid that not everyone in your team will adopt legal tech? If you start implementing contract automation or contract management software and ignore the basics of change management, all efforts may be worthless. Become a champion in implementing your legal tech journey successfully. Weagree's roadmap and framework with the 9 parameters correctly geared overcomes resistance, or rather, what looks like resistance is often a lack of clarity. The roadmap and framework give you everything you need to know to cycle every mountain and stay in time. Interested in why Weagree is a global leader in contract automation? The Weagree Wizard is really packed with functionality to accelerate your contracting cycle. Fully integrated are e-signing plugins, clause library, Realtime editor, adjustable WYSIWYG, approval workflows and communications thread, entity management, automated CLM transfer service, artificial intelligence, AI and NLP, and much, much more. for large corporates, law firms, and SMEs. Only enter prepared to be amazed. Weagree, accelerated contracting flow.